Hello everyone. Share the workflow of the GGUF quantized version of the Flux.1 fix models expansion function. We can enter the pixel size in the corresponding direction to expand the image. You can also enter prompt words to guide the model's expansion strategy. 8GB video memory is enough to play. It only takes 15 seconds to generate a picture with 10 steps of iteration. Open the integration package and double-click run_NVIDIA_GPU. BAT. Note that the integration package comes from the official repository of ComfyUI. It is an official integration package. Click the workflow on the left. Import local image expansion workflow. The model here uses a relatively small Q4 quantization. If you need a model with higher accuracy, you can download it yourself. Put the model in the model's UNET directory. The clip model uses the default clip_L. The V model can use the default AE. Upload a picture. Here controls the direction in pixels of the image expansion. Expand the image by 400 pixels to the left and right. If you do not want to expand the image in a certain direction, then enter 0. Default 10-step iteration. You can increase it according to the image quality. Click the Q button to start expanding the image. The device's 4060 laptop version 12-step iteration takes about 15 seconds. Video memory occupies about 7GB. You can see that the left and right areas are expanded respectively. Change another picture. Here I only want to expand the picture downwards. You can see that only the lower part is expanded. You can also guide through prompt words. This means that the girl is warming herself by the fire. You can see that a fire has been generated. Continue to modify the prompt words. The girl is on the waves. That's all. Thank you for watching. This is Lu Yu's technical blog.